Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you came to my house and I offered you a bowl of rocks to snack on, chances are you might think that I was a bit crazy. You would not think so anymore once you tasted one of these really delicious milk chocolate Riverstones from Parmida. It is amazing and uncanny how much these look like actual Riverstones. For a little bit of fun, I actually took them down to the beach right in front of my house to compare them with actual beach stones. Just check it out. Now, I don't know about you, but I could hardly tell the difference. Besides the impressive look of these, the taste of the milk chocolate is absolutely incredible. I find it to be really unique compared to other milk chocolates I've tried. It has this really smooth texture and almost this nutty, warm, toasty flavor to the chocolate. I enjoy the flavor of it so much, and I think it really makes it stand out. The candy coating is crispy and crunchy, and it has that perfect level of sweetness, and it just goes so well with the creamy milk chocolate. These are so tasty. They really make for a perfect treat anytime, and the fact that they look like Riverstones makes them this whimsical conversation piece for you and your guests. I have been so pleased with the quality, taste, and look of these Parmida Riverstones, but that's just my point of view.